If you're the person who just got handed the job of setting up Beautiful.ai for your whole team, this video is your cheat sheet. Invites, permissions, locked themes, shared libraries. We'll do all four in order in about 4 minutes. There are timestamps in the description, so if you already know what you need, you can jump straight to it. The goal here is simple: to get everybody up and running, on brand, without making yourself the bottleneck. Let's get started. First, get your people in the door. From your dashboard, click Profile, and then open the Team tab. This is your command center. Everything we do today lives here. Add your team by email, one at a time or in a batch. Once you send an invite, that person shows as pending until they accept. Then they flip to active. So if someone's not showing up, that's usually what it is. They just haven't clicked accept yet. Get the invites out first, even before everything is perfectly configured. People can still accept while you set up the rest. Next, decide who can do what. This is the part that protects your brand later, so it's worth getting right. Beautiful.ai gives you a few roles. Here's the plain English version. Owner, that's likely you. Full control, adds and removes people, manages billing, touches everything. Librarian, your brand keeper. Curates the shared libraries and themes, but doesn't handle billing or users. Member, the default for most of your team. They create and edit their own decks, but can't change any shared resources. And guest, someone invited to a single presentation, but nothing more. Quick tip, keep the owner and librarian circle small. A tight group managing shared content is exactly how you keep every deck consistent as your team grows. Now the piece that keeps everybody on brand automatically, locking in your theme. A theme holds your brand, fonts, colors, logos, iconography. When you turn on required shared theme, every new presentation your team creates uses that theme by default. They don't even get the option to pick their own colors and fonts. Watch what a member sees now. They start a new deck and your theme is the only one that's there. No off-brand fonts, no rogue color palettes. On brand every time, without you policing it. This one setting saves you more cleanup than anything else on this list, so lock it in early. Last step, give people approved material to start from, so no one's staring at a blank slide. Two things live here. Team templates, full decks your team can copy and make their own. Perfect for client-facing decks, pricing, or company overviews. And shared slides, individual master slides that anyone can drop into their own presentation. To turn a finished deck into a template, click more in the library view and then choose Create Team Template. For a single slide, add it to your shared slides library. Now it's there for the whole team. No more hunting through old decks or Slack threads for the latest version. Load a few strong starting points in here from day one. It's the difference between a team that moves fast and a team that keeps reinventing the same slide. So that's the whole setup. Invite your team, set permissions, lock your theme, and stock your shared libraries. 4 steps, 1 place, and now your team can move fast and stay on brand without every deck routing back through you. Get your team set up and kickstart your first deck with AI at Beautiful.ai. Try it for free for 14 days. Link in the description. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and share this with your team.